Okay, and again, welcome everybody to our Acrobat User Community eSeminar this month on sharing files with Acrobat.com. And it is my absolute pleasure to introduce two speakers this month. First up, we have Rebecca Staley, and Rebecca is currently located about, 10 inches to my right, here in Massachusetts. And Rebecca is the Acrobat.com Community Manager. Rebecca just joined us earlier this year at Adobe, and she is part of our team here that helps us keep in touch with the community and make sure your questions are answered, and she's doing a fantastic job of keeping everybody informed on the capabilities with Acrobat.com. You can find her on the forums and also the Ideas site, and she's also the one who responds to many of the emails that you may be sending too. And our second speaker is a gentleman in San Francisco by the name of Matt Carroll. Matt takes care of our customers that are interested in our group subscription options. He is based in San Francisco, as I mentioned, and has been for Adobe for a while now with experience in not just Acrobat.com, but also with working with customers regarding Lifecycle and Connect Pro that we're using right now. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to, without further ado, hand it over to Rebecca, who will kick things off with today's presentation. And I will speak to you all at the other end. Thanks a lot, guys.
All right. Thank you, Ollie. That was a lovely introduction. As he said, I'm Rebecca. I am the Community Manager at Acrobat.com. And we're going to be leading you through a series of steps today to illustrate the different ways that you can use Acrobat.com to share files and collaborate with people. And in order to do this, we thought that it would be best to describe a very particular workflow. In this case, we're going to be putting together a PDF brochure for the fictional city of Meridian. So in this case, Matt is going to be taking on the role of editor. So he's going to be collecting the content, all the articles, the copy, the images, and he's going to be coordinating between authors, editors, designers to make this come together. And then on the other end, I'll be taking on the role of designer and incorporating all of this different content into the final product that you'll see at the very end that we'll eventually publish. So Matt, why don't you go ahead and start sharing with everyone?
Great. Well, thank you, Rebecca, and thank you, Ali, for the great introduction. We are definitely excited this morning to be able to share with you a bit about the collaboration and sharing capabilities within Acrobat.com. As mentioned before, I'm going to be acting as the editor. And as you can see, I am sharing my computer screen right now via Connect Pro. What I've done here is I have received an article from my author that's in the Word document format. As you can see, I am pointing my mouse over to this Word document. Now, my author didn't actually email me this document. He shared it to me via Acrobat.com. Now, what I want to be able to do is have my editorial staff be able to collaborate on this document by providing commenting and editing capabilities. So with that being said, what I want to do is take this document and move it into the Adobe word processing format, which is called Buzzword. From Buzzword, I'm going to actually go ahead and show you this document in Buzzword. And this is the format that we will be using to actually show how to comment and place editing capabilities inside the Word document. As you can see here, this is our word processor here called Buzzword. Now I'm going to go ahead and move back here to my personal workspace here, which has a bunch of the content in here. Now what I would like to be able to do is move some of these Buzzword documents into some shared workspaces, which can be done via drag and drop. So moving over to this editorial workspace, which I've created, you can now see there are a few documents inside this workspace. What I would like to do now is be able to share this workspace and the content inside it with some of my editorial staff. As you can see on the screen, on the lower left-hand corner, there's a Share Workspace prompt. So what I'm going to do now is share this workspace.